Hello, we're Team ProService. We'll show you our project. We're opening a garage door. Now we'll be closing our garage door. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.